The WOLFBOX G900 Pro Dashcam is a cutting-edge car video recording system that offers unparalleled video clarity and advanced functionality for a safer and more connected driving experience. This latest model boasts world-class video resolution powered by an 8MP Sony IMX678 sensor, ensuring sharp, detailed footage in both front and rear views. The enhanced low-light sensitivity of its 1.8 sensor, combined with 2D and 3D noise reduction technologies, delivers exceptional performance even in challenging lighting conditions, capturing vital details at night or during low-visibility scenarios. Equipped with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, the Dashcam enables seamless connectivity through its dedicated app. This allows users to effortlessly download, manage, and share recordings without delays. The in-app control functionality makes it user-friendly, offering full access to settings and recordings directly from your smartphone. The G900 Pro also includes advanced features like 24-hour parking protection. When paired with the optional parking hardwire kit, the camera provides constant surveillance, ensuring your vehicle's safety even when parked. Additionally, the dedicated parking assist mode enhances convenience by offering guidance and monitoring during tight parking maneuvers. This dashcam is engineered with voice control functionality, enabling hands-free operation for safer driving. It supports a range of commands, allowing users to perform essential actions without taking their hands off the wheel. The device's robust design includes a streaming mirror format for an integrated, sleek look within the car. Its advanced hardware and software features make it an indispensable tool for any driver seeking reliable protection, convenience, and superior image quality. Whether for daily commutes or long journeys, the WOLFBOX G900 Pro delivers an intelligent and secure driving experience.